Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about domain and range of function having square root. Before starting today's class, I want to recapitulate the idea to find out the domain of a function. We know that for domain of a function, we have to find out the value of x for which the function fx is defined. For example, if we consider f of x is equal to root over of x. Root over of x is defined when x is positive. That means fx is defined when x greater than equal to 0, or we can write x belongs to 0 to infinity. Domain of this function is equal to 0 to infinity. If we consider another example, f of x is equal to root over of x minus 1. Similarly, for defined, we have to check x minus 1 is positive, means x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. This implies x greater than equal to 1. So domain of this function is 1 to infinity. Now we are going to solve a important problem. F of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Here also for domain 9 minus x square greater than equal to 0, or we can write as x square minus 9 less than equal to 0. We know that if we multiply minus 1 in both sides of a inequation, then their sign will be changed. Therefore, x square minus 9 less than equal to 0. On factorization, we know that x square minus 9 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 3, which is less than equal to 0. When multiplication of two number is negative, if one is positive and another is negative. So there is two cases. In case 1, if x minus 3 is greater than equal to 0 and x plus 3 is less than equal to 0. From this inequation, we get x greater than equal to 3. From this inequation, we get x less than equal to minus 3. Now, tell me, what is x which is greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to minus 3? Is there any number which is greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to minus 3? There is no any number. Therefore, this case is impossible. If we consider second case, that is x minus 3 is less than equal to 0 and x plus 3 is greater than equal to 0. We can write this as x less than equal to 3 and x greater than equal to minus 3. What is x? Which is greater than equal to minus 3 and less than equal to 3, which can be written as x belongs to minus 3 to 3. So this is the domain of this function. Here domain is minus 3 to 3. I think all of you understand this process, how to find out the domain. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about another process in which we also solve this problem. See here, square is less than equal to 9, or we can write x square less than equal to 3 square. If we eliminate square on both sides, we can write mod x less than equal to 3. How we eliminate mod value? This can be written as minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. Then what is the value of x? X is greater than equal to minus 3 and less than equal to 3. Therefore, we write x belongs to minus 3 to 3. So, this is also domain of this function. In place of this, we can solve in this way also. In similar process, we also find out the domain of function f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 16. For domain, we know that x square minus 16 must be greater than equal to 0. This implies x minus 4 into x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. When multiplication of two number is positive, if both are equal symbol. In first case, when both are positive, x minus 4 greater than equal to 0 and x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. We can write this as x greater than equal to 4 and x greater than equal to minus 4. What is x here? Which is greater than equal to minus 4 and greater than equal to 4. From this, we get x greater than equal to 4. Similarly, in case 2, both of them are less than equal to 0. X minus 4 less than equal to 0 or x plus 4 less than equal to 0. This implies x less than equal to 4 and x less than equal to minus 4. What is x? A number which is less than equal to minus 4 and less than equal to 4. Therefore, we can write x less than equal to minus 4. So, what is the x for this? X is greater than equal to 4, which can be written as x belongs to 4 to infinity. So, here domain is, both of them are domain. Therefore, we can write minus infinity to minus 4 union 4 to infinity. If we solve this problem in alternative ways, we can write x square greater than equal to 16 or x square greater than equal to 4 square, or we can write mod x greater than equal to 4. This implies minus 4 greater than equal to x greater than equal to 4. What is x? Which is greater than 4 and less than minus 4. This implies x belongs to, x is less than minus 4 means minus infinity to minus 4 and greater than 4. This implies 4 to infinity. Same answer. So, this is the alternative ways to find out the domain of this function. Now, we are going to find out the domain of f of x is equal to square root of ax square plus bx plus c. In class 9 and 10, we already know the process of completing the square. If we write ax square plus bx plus c in the form of completing the square, first we have to consider the leading coefficient as 1. So, take out common a, that is equal to a into x square plus b by ax plus c by a. We can write this as a into square of x plus b by 2a minus b square by 4a square plus c by a, which is equal to a into x plus b by 2a square minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So, what is fx now? fx is equal to root over of a into root over of x plus b by 2a whole square minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a whole square. Now, using earlier process, we can find out the domain of this function. Now, we consider an example to find out its domain. Question is, find out the domain of f of x is equal to square root of 12 minus 4x minus x square. First, we have to change this into completing the square. 12 minus 4x minus x square. For completing the square, we must change the leading coefficient to 1. If we take common minus 1, then this is x square plus 4x minus 12, which can be written as minus of x plus 2 square minus 4 minus 12, which is equal to minus of x plus 2 whole square minus 16, that is equal to 16 minus x plus 2 whole square. Then what is fx? F of x is equal to root over of 16 minus x plus 2 square. For domain, we know that for domain 16 minus x plus 2 square must be greater than equal to 0, or we can write 16 greater than equal to x plus 2 square, or x plus 2 square less than equal to 4 square. On eliminating square, we can write x plus mod of x plus 2 less than equal to 4, which implies minus 4 less than equal to x plus 2 less than equal to 4. Again, this implies minus 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. Then what is the domain of this function? Domain is minus 6 to 2. Any doubt? I think all of you understood this process. Now I am going to tell you about the shortcut method to find the domain of this type of function, which can be help you in entrance examination. For this, we must have knowledge on conic section. Now, first I consider f of x is equal to root x. If we take y is equal to root x, or on simplifying, we get y square is equal to x. This curve represents the equation of a parabola. Which type of parabola? This is the figure of this parabola. Now tell me, to draw the figure of this parabola, what is the possible value of x? Possible value of x is always positive, means x greater than equal to 0. Therefore, domain, here domain is x greater than equal to 0, that is 0 to infinity. For second case, if we consider f of x is equal to root over of 9 minus x square, then take y is equal to root over of 9 minus x square, or y square is equal to 9 minus x square, or we can write x square plus y square is equal to 9. This is the equation of a circle whose center is at origin and radius is 3. If we draw this graph, This is the equation of circle whose center at origin radius is 3. So coordinate of this point is 3 0 and coordinate of this point is minus 3 0. If we want to draw the figure of this circle, then what is the possible value of x? Or we can take the value of x from minus 3 to plus 3. Therefore domain here, domain is minus 3 to 3. Now consider another example where fx is root over of x square minus 16. If fx is root over of x square minus 16, then y is equal to root over of x square minus 16. Y square is equal to x square minus 16, or we can write x square minus y square is equal to 16. This is the equation of a hyperbola. Now draw the figure of hyperbola. This is the figure of hyperbola. Now coordinate of this point is 4 0 because there is 16, and coordinate of this point is minus 4 0. We can write this as x square by 16 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. Now tell me, to draw the figure of this hyperbola, what is the possible value of x? We can take x is greater than equal to 4 and x is less than equal to minus 4. So domain of this function is minus infinity to minus 4 union 4 to infinity. If we have idea or knowledge about conic section, then we can find out the domain of this type of equation. Now we are going to discuss about range of a function. Suppose question is f of x is equal to square root of x. We know that to find out range of a function, we consider the function as y. So y is equal to root over of x. What is the value of x? X is equal to y square. Now we have to find out for which value of y square is defined. For any real number we can define y square. But question is given f of x is equal to positive square root of x. Then what is the positive value of y here? Y belongs to 0 to infinity. Therefore this is the range of this function. Consider another example. F of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Similar process, let y is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Next find out the value of x. If y is equal to 9 minus x square, then y square is equal to 9 minus x square, or x square is equal to 9 minus y square. X is equal to square root of 9 minus y square. Now we have to find out the value of y for which square root of 9 minus y square is defined. We get y belongs to minus 3 to 3. Similarly, here fx is the positive square root of 9 minus x square. Now we have to take the positive value of this. So range is, positive value means 0 to 3. So this is the range of this function. Next we have to find out the range of f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 16. If we consider y is equal to square root of x square minus 16, then x square is equal to y square plus 16. X is equal to square root of y square plus 16. Now we have to find out the value of y for which root over of y square plus 16 is defined. We know that y square is always positive, y square plus 16 is always positive. Therefore we can find out the square root of y square plus 16 where y belongs to r. Here also fx is positive square root of x square minus 16. If we take positive value of y, then what is the range? Range is 0 to infinity. So in this way we can find out the range of square root function. I think all of you understand how to evaluate domain and range of square root function.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.